Wait, kalma, wait. Wait. Shh, kuya, sasagot na eh. Ma'am, ano po yung...
Grabe naman. I think you can give them more news, okay?
Ma'am, preparations.
ASEAN? Preparation lang po for ASEAN.
Any update on that?
Any adjustment po because of the...
Ilocano effect.
I heard you couldn't run yesterday. You gave up daw.
Ay, hindi po. Hindi ko alam natatakbo si FCP eh. Si Paolo, hindi ko alam. Sige po.
Si HR ako ganun.
Piningal po sila. Piningal, ma'am. Piningal ang mga media.
Hello. Kung I'm conscious na.
Bye-bye po.